triangles.
Today we'll discuss some new topic, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, and we have to study this subtopic, and there are some theorems also and some problems related to these theorems. So today we'll start this topic. Okay. So first of all, we all know Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? A sum of the squares
will
of
be equal to the square of largest side.
yes. In a right triangle, sum of the squares of the smaller sides will be equal to the square of the largest side. In other terms, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the perpendicular sides. Okay, so here you have seen some proof in 9th standard, but here using the idea of similar triangles, we will give a proof for the Pythagoras theorem. And before that, we have a short theorem, and this is the theorem. If you can read here. And using this theorem, we will prove Pythagoras theorem. This is not much important, but this is some theorem we have to use to prove Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so just to read this theorem, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Okay, so we'll start with this theorem, we'll prove this, and then we will apply this theorem to prove Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so the theorem says that in a right triangle, if you draw a perpendicular from 90-degree angles to opposite side, that is to hypotenuse, then that line will divide the triangles into two separate triangles, and each of the small triangle will be similar to larger triangle, and those two small triangles will be also similar. That's what this theorem says. And we will prove this theorem, then we will use this theorem to prove the Pythagoras theorem. So a small picture I shall draw here, a small triangle, a right triangle. Okay, suppose this is a right angle A. Angle A is right angle 90-degree. And I give name like this ABC. Okay, so the theorem says that if we draw a perpendicular from 90-degree angle to hypotenuse, a perpendicular from 90-degree angle to hypotenuse, the theorem says that the triangles formed, we can give some name here, some P or something. So the ABP, that small triangle ABP, will be similar to the large triangle ABC, and also the small triangle on the right side, this APC, will be similar to the larger triangle, and also the small two triangles ABP and APC will be also similar. So we can prove this, very simple. So what will be the angle BPA here? BPA 90 degree. Okay, so since AP is perpendicular, given that AP is perpendicular to BC, BC is the hypotenuse. Okay, and we have to prove that triangle ABP, triangle APC, and triangle ABC, these three triangles, the small two triangles and large triangle, these three triangles are similar. In one way we can say these three triangles are similar. So if you take one and two, this will be similar. If you take second and third, this will be similar, and if you take in any order, those two will be similar. Okay, so we'll see that. So first of all, we can let this angle, one of the angle, x degree. One of the angle you choose as x degree. So what will be this angle at B? We take an angle BAP is equal to x degree. Then what will be the angle at B?
180 minus 90 minus x.
Okay, actually no need to think like so. In triangle BPA, now look only to triangle BPA. Here one angle is 90 degree. Then the sum of the other two angles will be 90, right? 90 plus 90 will make 180. So the sum of the other two angles must be 90. So one of those angles is x degree. So the second angle will be
90 minus x.
90 minus x degree. Okay. Now can you say what will be this angle first. This angle. What will be this angle?
45 ആണ് sir.
No. This is not a bisector. This is just a perpendicular to the opposite side. You just look the large triangle.
90 minus x.
90 minus x is correct. Why? Because the large triangle, in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree, right? We have started with this angle as 90 degree. Okay, so the sum of these two small angles must be 90. So if one of the angle is x degree, then the second must be 90 minus x. Then only the sum will become 90, right? Okay, so what will be the third angle in the right side, the triangle in the right side?
X.
X, right? X. Then only the sum of the angles of this triangle will become 180. Okay, so I explain again. Given that AP is perpendicular to BC and angle A is the right angle of triangle ABC, 90 degree angle. From that 90 degree angle, AP is drawn to BC, perpendicular to BC. And we want to prove that these three triangles similar. So first we mark these 90 degree angles here, and then we choose one of the angle as x degree. So I choose angle BAP is equal to x degree. Then the sum of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Using that property, we can say that angle at B will be 90 minus x. And angle A in the larger triangle, that is 90 degree. Therefore, the second angle at the vertex A will be 90 minus x. Then the third angle here, angle at C will be x degree. So that's enough. Okay, now look this small triangle ABP. So what are the angles of triangle ABP? What are the angles of triangle ABP?
90 minus x.
90
Minus x.
90 minus x, then
90
90, then
and x.
and x. Okay, so I choose angles in the order angle A x degree first, then B 90 minus x, then P 90. Okay, so in same order we want to choose the second triangle, a triangle in the right side. So how you can name in the same order? X degree first, so C. Then I brought B, angle B is 90 minus x, or CAP, we can give name like this, CAP. So what is angle C in the triangle in the right side? X. Then what's the angle at A in the right side triangle?
90 minus x.
90 minus x. Then angle P 90 degree. And in the third triangle, the large triangle, we can give name in the same order. So CB, I give name like this, CBA. Okay, so what is angle C in the large triangle? X degree. And in the second angle B is equal to 90 minus x. 90 minus x, and the third is 90 degree, right?
90 degree.
Okay, so this also we can write in the same order. So angle A is x degree, angle B is 90 minus x, and angle P is equal to 90 degree. Now look here, these three triangles have same angles, right? Triangle ABP, triangle CAP, and triangle CBA. CBA is the larger triangle. So that's ABC. We just rearrange the name corresponding in the same order. Okay, so look here. So this triangle will be similar to this triangle because their angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal. And angle CAP, the small triangle in the right side, will be also similar to the larger triangle. Okay, and also these two small triangles will be similar because their corresponding angles are also equal. That's what this theorem says. In a right triangle, if we draw a perpendicular from the 90 degree angle to the hypotenuse, then we will get two small triangle and a large triangle, and these three triangles will be similar. Okay, and we will use this result in this theorem to prove the next theorem. Next theorem is nothing but the Pythagoras theorem.